The purpose of the bench is small because this idea is changing. I mean,
So this trend of making smaller benches, but it actually takes more effort to make smaller bench.
yes, the design is more.
We have the thermal control, we have the purity, we have hydraulic,
It's more.
and it takes
It's designing all this.
it takes effort.
Yes.
So bigger bench, more steel, more things, so more expensive.
But the police is also important for the workshop, and you need the space for
Of course.
the second
Yeah.
machine. Yeah, the purpose of the bench is small because our benches go through the door,
Without breaking any walls.
without breaking any walls.